If you're looking to build a bigger chest at home without having access to any equipment, then follow the simple steps in this video where I'll be sharing a few exercises that you can use to build a bigger chest at home. In relation to the exercises, I'd recommend to do at least 3 to 4 sets with a minimum 60-second rest in between. If you're a beginner, you can do a 2-minute rest, and to repeat this at least 3 to 4 times per week. So moving into the first exercise, if you're a complete beginner, then I'd recommend to start with press-ups on your knees. In terms of the setup, your hands are going to be shoulder width apart. You're going to make sure that your back is nice and straight, and you're going to cross your legs. Once you lower your body down, you're going to bring your chest as low as possible to the floor without touching it, and back up to the starting position. Nice controlled breathing, and it's a nice smooth movement. Nothing too fast. Prioritize full range of motion, and we're going to be aiming to do at least 10 reps before moving on to the next progression. Once you've mastered that, the next progression is to move onto press-ups on your toes. Again, hand shoulder width apart. Make sure the back is nice and straight. We're going to go all the way down again, lowering our body in a very nice, slow and controlled fashion, and back up again. Again, aiming to do a minimum of 10 reps before we move on. Once that gets comfortable and you can do 10 reps of that, the next progression is to do a wide press up. And what we're going to do here is put our hands a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, and again go down in the same fashion. All the way down and back up again. What you'll find here is because your hands are a little bit wider, you'll probably feel it a little bit more in your chest. Again, prioritizing full range of motion. The next progression is the diamond press up. So what we're going to do here is put our hands in a triangle shape. This is similar to a diamond push up as well. This is going to have more emphasis on your triceps. You're going to lower your body down, prioritizing full range of motion, and back up again. Nice and controlled. Once you can do 10 reps of that, then you can move on to the next movement, which is going to be side to side press up. So in terms of the setup here, we're going to put our hands as wide as possible, and I prefer to turn them outwards, and we're going to just lean down to each side to isolate each side of the chest. So nice and controlled, really bringing your body as low as possible to the floor to isolate each side of the chest. Once you can do 10 reps of that, either side, then you can start moving into the incline and the decline push-ups. Just a quick tip as well is if any of the exercises on your toes get too difficult, then you can always drop down onto your knees to make the exercise a little bit easier. Next exercise is the incline press up. In relation to the setup, all you need is any elevated surface like the side of your bed. Bring your feet together on your toes. Keep your back nice and straight. Lower your body as low as possible, prioritizing full range of motion, and slowly back up again. This will target the lower part of your chest. Once you can do 10 reps of that, you then can move on to the decline press up, and this will target more of the upper chest. So hand shoulder width apart again, really prioritizing full range of motion, and back up again. This is going to be a little bit more difficult than the incline press up, but you'll get there as you move through the progressions. Once you can do 10 reps of that, you can then finish off with some triceps to make sure that you have a well-rounded upper body and chest workout. So you're going to finish off with dips. If this is the first time that you're doing dips, bring your feet closer in towards you. You're going to go all the way down and back up again. Nice and controlled. If that is too easy, then you can move your feet further out. And again, nice controlled movement, not too fast, really taking our time and feeling the muscle throughout the movement. And there you go, guys. There is a few exercises that you can use to build a chest from home. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.